the new nameplate made by V-Pro for my Stevens model Dockyard. And today at an estate sale, I bought this new old computer desk for 40 bucks, and I've turned it into my new workstation. So I'm really happy with it. A little more room. Got all my stuff. My plier holder. Some of my books now. Dremel accessories. Haven't filled it all up yet. But yeah, it was my project today. And first project completed at the bench was putting on this new nameplate. So there it is. Had to run this one for a while. It's in the house usually, but brought it out here and thought I'd make a short video. So yeah, that's about it for now. So all right, that's it. Thanks.